I got my first Bacon book box in the mail today. This is I think the March box. I will put the info in the link below. So here's their information. Just gonna show you the box. So it reads. Okay. Alright, I'm excited. Ooh. So the March theme is explosive secrets. And I'm just gonna. Ooh, hold on. That's all the information. I'm not really looking at it. And then April's theme is Futures Entangled. Awesome. I'll reference this in a second. Some of my dogs are joining me. There we go. Matching peanuts, which I always. Let me see, this is mug. Oh my gosh. Look at this mug. It's gorgeous. Wow. Look at it. This is gorgeous. So I got that mug. This is the Court of Thorns and Roses mug by Diana Warwick, which you can find her on Instagram. But this is gorgeous, and it's a collectible, so one of 4. Awesome. Next thing you see is this tin. The Bay Flower Vanilla Cedar Wood candles. Let's try to open it up with one hand. Oh my goodness. This is what the candle looks like. On camera it looks kind of red, but in real life it's like a pink dust. And the smell, it's like a vanilla cupcakey with cedar wood. Exactly what it says, like vanilla cedar wood pink candle. This is perfect for me. I'll tell you why in a second. This is the One of Us is Lying Bayview 4 candle from Novelly Yours. Awesome. So I see this white little box. So I don't know if I can open it. Yeah, I can't. Okay, it's wrapped up in this nice. Oh yeah, this is their ornaments. I don't know if you can see it. I'll use this. You can see it. This says Unbound, Unbent, Unbroken. House Martell. This is Game of Thrones. It says, yeah, Game of Thrones House Martell ornament. Signed by Little Berries. Just couldn't read it because it's a clear ornament. I love Game of Thrones. Obviously, this is perfect. Thank you. I'm gonna set that aside over there with my chihuahua. Okay. Oh, maybe I should put it on here so you can see it. There. All right. Moving on. I see like another thing. This is obviously lip balm. Oh my stars. So this is the Lunar Chronicles inspired chapstick designed by Reese again. Also, you can always use some lip balm. So you got the Cornerstones Roses inspired, the candle, lipstick, lip balm, and so oh, you guys see the book? Okay, hold on. I see some other things in here. So let me go ahead and grab here first. Let me grab everything out. Alright, so let me just move out the way. So before we get into the book, there's this bookmark that says the best people all have some kind of scar, and this says this year change me forever, and I'll never forget you. This is from the selection inspired. Nice. There you go. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and this was, so you have this photo challenge. Have this. This is like a promotional print. Jamie Foley's Amber Hawk. This is a really pretty. I love that. Reminds me of Game of Thrones, doesn't it? Awesome. And then this print. Which is Crystal's dark chocolate cake. Ooh, I'm excited. I think I have all of this. Yeah, most of it. Actually, wait. I think I already have all this stuff. So this is perfect for the quarantine. And this is the Stocking Injector Ripper inspired recipe. Also from Diana. She's on Instagram too. Awesome. And now let's get into the book. All Your Twisted Secrets by Diana Urban. Interesting. I have not heard about this. Here is the blurb. Ooh. Get a Dear Reader from her. awesome. And then is the synopsis. You can pause it and read it. Oh, it is signed by her. Interesting. So that is my first ever unboxing from Beacon Book Box. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also please comment below where you're from and what's your favorite book at the moment. Have a good one. Bye.